So what I have been doing here as an intern House of Design is trying to combine two different technologies. On one hand, we have robotics technology that is growing more and more. Manufacturers and companies are trying to get robots to do their tasks because they do the task more precisely. They can do it repeated over and over. And the other side, we have a new wave of VR and AR technology, which is an amazing way to expand our perception about the world around us by adding virtual entity to it. Here we're trying to combine these two and trying to investigate AR and VR applications in robotics. We decided to make a mobile app for House of Design and add some augmented reality features to it. There are already features out there like remote assistance or using 2D images and stickers on the system that you can detect the system and pull up the information of that system, 3D model of that system and everything. But we try to come up with new ideas. We try to use AR to help designers to do debugging. Think of a virtual panel. By the system, the designer and programmer can see his or her codes running right by the system. They can make changes and then they can see the result right there. In the future, we're trying to use augmented reality more to be able to interact with robots.